So I've got a bit of a project update again. So this is a little finger I'm working on modeling right now, and this is very crude, like just ideas right now, but I'll refine all the models, print them way nicer, and make all the parts better. But what it is, it's going to be like little, you've probably seen the servo controlled robot hands on YouTube. But this is the 3 parts of the finger, and I print them in 2 parts, and then these are screw holes. That's a little spot for the spring to hook on, and then the other side has a spring hook on. You can see right there, there's the spring, and it's inside of it, so that's what. And then right there, there's this hole for this string that'll be running down to the servo. And then these are going to be hinges, and eventually I'll make them out of some probably tin or aluminum. But right now I just used some old credit cards to cut up. And then these are just some extra screws I had lying around. So like I said, very crude, but eventually I'll try to find the right parts to use. But what it'll be is the string will go to the servo, which will hold it all in place, and there'll be the other parts. And then whenever that goes, that'll pull this down, and that'll make the finger all curl up. And then to undo it, that spring will pop that back in place. So that way the finger will be always upright. And then all the other parts will have springs and hinges that will all have that string through that hole that runs down to the servo, so that'll curl everything up, and once it's done it'll all pop back out. And also I'm going to have a push button here, just your tactile, like a normal tactile push button switch, and then that'll have wires run down, so it'll tell whenever you press a button on the robot hand, it'll turn on all the servos and tense up until the buttons are pressed, and it'll know to stop the finger, because it's like touch feedback, like human fingers, you can feel whenever you touch something. So it'll curl up, it'll touch it, hit something, and then it'll stop, just kind of hold on to that thing.